Hi everyone, I am Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video, let us discuss about how to approach the OET writing test. So now you might be aware about the OET writing test format. So a total amount of 45 minutes would be provided in order to appear for your writing test. 5 minutes would be your preparation time and rest 40 minutes you need to spend for your writing. Now what all you need to take care of during this time? First of all, you need to write according to your profession. That means if you are a nurse, you should write as a nurse. If you are a doctor, as a doctor. And if you are a health professional, then as a health professional. Second thing is the assessment criteria. Your letter would be judged according to certain criteria like the layout, the style, the organization, the language you have used, the number of key points you have included, and the purpose of the letter. So you need to take care of all these things. And when you're provided with your preparation time or reading time, that is the 5 minutes, you need to scan through or concentrate upon the case notes. You should differentiate between what all are the relevant points, what all are the irrelevant points, and always beware of the inclusion of irrelevant points, which is purposely included by some of the examiners in order to deviate you. So take care of these mild things. And also, you need to take care about the entire structure of your letter. And also towards the end, what you should do it, you should check your letter writing and make sure that the purpose of your letter is quite clear, and also you have included all the relevant information in the letter. So try to keep all these points while you are approaching your OET writing test, which would definitely help you to gain a better score.